What kind of land fits the way you want to live? On the Maine coast, buyers can choose between waterfront and ocean access. Waterfront properties include private dock rights for boating and fishing, while ocean access properties offer larger acreage, more privacy, and shared access to a private community boat ramp. Two ways to own on the Maine coast, each with its own kind of freedom. In Blowing Rock, your backyard is the Blue Ridge Parkway. These mountain properties adjoin the Parkway, National Forest, and the Mountains to Sea Trail, with 90-mile long-range views over protected land that can never be developed. Build ready, with infrastructure in place, all that's left is the view. And in the Outer Banks, island life is more than boating. Imagine kayaking, jet skiing, and watching dolphins right from your private island. Each island already has a well in place, drawing fresh water from the North Atlantic aquifer, plus dock permits secured, protected waterfront views, and a calm, swimmable shoreline. Maine coast, Blue Ridge Mountains, or Outer Banks Islands, each offers a different lifestyle. Contact us to schedule a virtual tour of available properties.